We're the
motel.
revolving door. Welcome to our bed and breakfast.
This is Allie's hotel. If you ask anybody, this is Allison's hotel. I wanted a contemporary home. I didn't want a new model home with sort of like a great room. So we wanted the great room. We wanted the big high peak ceilings and
The view.
Row Homes is nothing less than awesome. They've been with us since inception of that day that we first walked in the place. They handheld us every step of the way. They made us feel comfortable.
I wanted the high ceilings, the openness. I want it to flow.
The wow factor. Coming through the door and seeing the lake right from there is the biggest thing for us.
I love to entertain, so I needed room for the people.
One of the things that was important to me was that all the rooms faced the lake, so everyone had a nice, beautiful view of our lake.
It's been our dream since we've been here. Mark's been on the property for close to 50 years. It was an old logging home that we loved and loved and loved and tried to love till we couldn't love it anymore. And we made the decision, and when we saw Row Homes on the highway, we knew that, I said, that's the one.
Walked in, looked around, kind of hemmed and hawed, saw some stuff, and we both looked at each other and said, we're home. I told them I wanted a company that, and this is true, I said I want to write one check at the end of it. I don't want to point fingers at multiple people. I want someone to take responsibility for everything. And that's what they said. They're turnkey. The people really made it special. Everybody, you know, I also, is important to me that you tell me the truth all the time. I can't deal with someone that's just going to tell me a story or what I want to hear. Erica wasn't like that. She told us everything right from the start. Everything came true. Henrik and Dale, absolutely incredible.
Amazing. Henrik was amazing.
Yeah, Henrik was also.
Dale was amazing.
Yeah.
He's our man. We've recommended, that's why our neighbor's building right now, because they saw how happy we were and are.
They walked us through everything with the architectural designs, with how things were going to be pieced together, but we didn't understand how prefab homes are made. They took us out to the factory, which was incredible, extremely impressive. I personally have been up here for a long time, know how the winters get, minus 35 degree with a wind chill factor over minus 40. And I can't imagine someone wanting to be up on a scaffolding, screwing or hammering nails in minus 35 and not doing exactly the quality work that they would do inside a controlled environment warehouse where this was built.
This room is going to be a Four Seasons room. And I had my girlfriend over who has a cottage down the street, and I told her what we were doing, and she said, absolutely not. You need to make it a Muskoka room. You will never be happier. Even though you won't be able to enjoy it in the winter, you have a fireplace inside, you have a TV inside, you don't need that extra space. And she said, just build it and they will come, and she was completely right. Kitchen, the family room, and our master bedroom. Those are just the three places where I am most of the time anyways. It's functional. It's very, very functional. And we designed it and redesigned it, and actually the original kitchen had windows up above, and I took that out and had the cabinets extended. They had the fridge over there. We reworked everything because I love to cook and bake. So everything had to be
Conducive for her
from
activities.
the stove to the sink to the fridge.
And it's true. She's an awesome cook, an awesome baker, and she cooks a lot.
And the size of the kitchen is amazing. I came across it somehow when I was looking for things, on Pinterest to make a board of things that I liked, that I wanted. And it was, once I saw it, I fell in love with it. Erica was fantastic. She was so knowledgeable. She was very, very up to the times when it came to decor. She just was great. We could get her anytime. We had her cell phone number. Probably not the best idea for me to have her cell phone number, because maybe those 11 o'clock at night calls. Oh, Erica, I want to change this now. But she was amazing. Everybody was amazing.